Today, we're diving into a topic that can elevate your writing game to a whole new level: colons. Yep, those two little dots can make a big difference in how your sentences flow. Stick around, and we'll show you how to use colons correctly, with some juicy examples. What exactly is a colon? Well, it's not just a punctuation mark, it's a game changer for your writing style. A colon is like a gateway, guiding your reader to expect something important. It's that simple. Now, why does it matter? Using colons correctly adds clarity, emphasis, and a touch of sophistication to your writing. One of the most common uses of colons is to introduce lists. Take a look. I have 3 favorite desserts: chocolate cake, ice cream, and apple pie. The colon signals that a list is coming up, making it easier for the reader to follow along. Colons can also clarify relationships between ideas. For instance, there's one thing we all need to succeed: determination. Here, the colon highlights that determination is crucial for success. Now, let's talk about how colons can improve the flow of your sentences. Instead of a choppy transition, try this: the secret to a happy life is simple: cherish every moment. The colon smoothly connects the two clauses, creating a seamless flow. Want to build suspense? Colons are your friends. He opened the mysterious box, a treasure chest from a forgotten era. The colon builds anticipation, urging the reader to uncover the treasure. Lastly, let's explore how colons can add emphasis to your writing. She had one goal in mind: to make a difference. The colon emphasizes the importance of the goal, making it stand out in the reader's mind. Colons might be small, but their impact on your writing is huge. Whether you're introducing lists, improving sentence flow, or adding emphasis, mastering colons is a surefire way to enhance your writing style. Give it a try, and let those sentences shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more writing tips. Until next time, happy writing. To stay in the loop and catch all the upcoming engaging content we have planned, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Together, we're embarking on an awesome journey of discovery, learning, and connection. So, until next time, keep smiling, keep exploring, and keep that curiosity alive.